Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up recording to the cloud in Zoom. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Zoom web portal at zoom.us. On the left-hand side, click on Settings. Under the Recording tab, you'll see options for both local and cloud recording now. Toggle on cloud recording. This allows all your Zoom meetings to be saved directly online instead of just your computer. You can also customize what gets recorded. For example, you can choose to save the speaker view, gallery view, shared screen, audio transcript, and even thumbnails. Just check the boxes you want. Once done, click Save to confirm your settings. Now, the next time you start a Zoom meeting, click on the Record button and choose Record to the cloud after the meeting ends. Zoom will process the recording and send you an email with a link to access it in your AS. Zoom cloud recordings, and that's it. You've successfully set up cloud recording in Zoom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.